Let's read the question. Resolve into partial fractions x power 3 by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. In this particular question, they are asking us to solve the given question into partial fractions. So first we need to identify whether the given question is in improper fraction or proper fraction. So in order to identify, we have two rules. So the first rule is that the x power should be equal or higher in the denominator. So here the x power, if we observe the numerator x power is 3, when we multiply all these x values, even the denominator x power will be getting as 3. So the first rule, if we observe, the x power is equal in numerator and denominator, which is 3. So in the first rule, it can be higher in the denominator or it can be equal with numerator and denominator. Alright. So that was the first rule. So first rule is satisfying for proper fraction. So the second rule is that the coefficient of x should be greater in the numerator or it can be equal with the denominator. Alright. So the coefficient of x should be greater in the numerator or it can be equal with the denominator. If we observe, the coefficient is greater in denominator, not in numerator. So we can say that the given question is in improper fraction. It is not in proper fraction. So I will write the statement. Given fraction is improper fraction. Alright. So as the coefficient is higher in the denominator, so we have one particular thing to do. So I'll write here, that is k equal to coefficient of highest power of x in numerator, that is divided by coefficient of highest power of x in denominator. Okay, so we'll write these coefficients. So in the numerator, the coefficient is how much? It is only 1. In denominator, the coefficient you could observe here, that was 2. Alright, so that is the k value. So particularly as the coefficient should be higher in the numerator and lesser in the denominator, it can be equal. Here the denominator coefficient is higher, so this is what? It is an improper fraction. So we can write therefore f of x, which is numerator, and g of x, which is denominator, that is what? Improper fraction. Okay, so whenever this kind of particular thing has come where the powers are equal here in numerator and denominator but the coefficients were different, so in this particular condition we have one thing to do, that is f of x by g of x equal to k plus f of x by g of x. So this particular condition will follow whenever the powers were equal but the coefficient is higher in the denominator. So even we'll write the reason, when degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x. Alright, so let's do this problem forward. So I'll write this part again, the given part, and we'll try to do it. X power 3 by 2x minus 1, and this is x plus 2 x minus 3. So this is the given question. So the k is how much here? 1 by 2. So we'll submit. When it comes to this f of x and g of x, I'll write here again x power 3 by 2x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3. Alright, so let's do this forward and we'll see how we can solve. Okay, so now I can write this as x power 3 by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. Now I'll write this into partial parts. Okay, that is a by x, that is 2x minus 1, plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Okay, now we'll do this into LCM. I can write x power 3 by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3, this into LCM. So here I can write 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 whole by 2 plus a into, so here you can see here 2 is also there. I can write 2a into x plus 2 into x minus 3. So this is also we're getting here. The next thing is that plus 2b into, here this is 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. Next is 2c into, that is 2x minus 1 into x plus 2. So this whole divided by how much? Probably we can just, this also will just add it up here. So this is whole divided by how much? That is 2 into 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, so we'll do this forward and we'll see what do we get. Alright, so here 2x minus 1 to x minus can be cancelled, x plus 2 can be cancelled, x minus 3 can be cancelled. This 2 I'll send this to this side. So we will write that now. 2 into x power 3, that is equal to 2x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3, this is plus 2a into x plus 2, x minus 3, plus 2b into 2x minus 1, x minus 3, plus 2c into 2x minus 1, x plus 2. Okay, so let's say this, we'll write this equation as equation number 1, and we'll write not this one, we'll write this as equation number 1. Okay, and we'll write this as equation number 2. Okay, so let's solve equation number 2 forward and we'll see what do we get. So now we'll submit, put x equal to 1 by 2. Whenever we'll submit x equal to 1 by 2 in x plus c, here if I say submit x equal to 1 by 2, this whole part will become 0. Like that, 3 parts will become 0, we'll get the a value. So let's do that, we will get clarity. So this is 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube, that is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is 1 by 2 plus 2, 1 by 2 minus 3, plus here 2a, 1 by 2 plus 2, this is 1 by 2 minus 3, plus 2b, 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1, this is 1 by 2 minus 3, plus 2c, 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 plus 2. Okay, so let's solve this. 2 into, this is 1 by 2 whole power 3, this is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so this is 1 by 8. So that is equal to, we can just cancel this 2 and this 2. So here we are remain with 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. So if this is 0, these 3 are multiplied with one another, so this whole part will become 0. So that I'll write 0 here. Okay, so now we'll write this part. I can write plus 2a into, we'll do this LCM, 2 into 2 is 4, so 1 plus 4 by 2. Here also we'll do LCM, I can write 1 minus, this is 2 3 is 6, 6 by 2, plus when it comes to here, this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Again here also we are remain with 1 minus 1, so 1 minus 1 is nothing but it was 0. So if this is becoming 0, these were multiplied with that, so this all part will become 0, so this whole part is 0. So here also 2 can cancel, and we are remain with 1 minus 1, so this is 0. So if this is becoming 0, this is multiplied with these both, so this is also will become 0, right? So this part that was becoming 0. So we'll write the remaining things. So this is 2 1s are 2, this is 2 4s are 8. So I can write this is 1 by 4 is equal to, so how much was this? 2a, this is 4 plus 1, which is 5 by 2. When it comes to this, 1 minus 6, which is minus 5 by 2. So let's solve this and we'll see this. 1 by 4 is equal to 2a, this is 5 into 5, which is minus 25, by this is 2 into 2, which is 4. Okay, So now we can actually cancel this 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we are remained with 1 by 4. This is equal to minus 25 by 2 into a is there. Okay, so let's cross multiply and we'll see what do we get. This is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we are remain with what? 1 by 2 is equal to minus 25a. So sending this 25 to this side, we'll be getting a is equal to minus 1 by 50. Okay, so this is the a value. Alright, so the a value is obtained. We'll try to get even b and c values also. Okay, so for that I'll write the equation 2 again. I'll try to solve this forward. So I can write 2x power 3 equal to 2x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3 plus 2a into x plus 2 x minus 3 plus 2b into 2x minus 1 x minus 3 2c into 2x minus 1 x plus 2. So this is equation number 2. So now in this particular equation number 2, we'll just submit x equal to minus 2. So I can write put x equal to minus 2. So let's see here. I can write 2 into minus 2 whole cube equal to 2 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 3 plus 2a into minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 3 plus 2b into 2 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 2c into 2 into minus 2 minus 1. This is minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so this will try to do this. This is 2 power 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. This is minus 8. So that is equal to. So now here if you just observe, this is minus 2 plus 2. So this is becoming 0, which means this whole part will become 0. So this is minus 2 plus 2. So this part will become 0, which means this whole part will become 0. So when it comes to this, if you observe minus 2 plus 2, so this is 0. So which means this whole part will become 0. So we just need to solve this part where we'll get b value. So that I'll write here 2b into, so this is 2 into 2, which is minus 4 minus 1, and we'll multiply the remaining also. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. We'll just multiply this forward. This is 2 into 8, which is 16 minus 16. So this is 2b into, this is minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5. This is also minus 5. Let's solve this forward. Minus 16 equal to 2b into, this is 5 5s are 25. So let's see this. Minus 16 equal to, this is 25 into 2 is how much? This is 50b. Okay, sending 50 to other side, we'll be getting this as b is equal to minus 16 by 50. Okay, so now if we just solve this, we can cancel with the 2. So this is 2 8 is 16 and this is 25. So we are getting the b value as minus 8 by 25. Right here. So b value we are getting minus 8 by 25. Alright. So this is the b value we got. And now we'll submit in equation number 2 the values where we'll get even the c value. Okay, for that first I'll write the equation number 2 again. 2x power 3, that is equal to 2x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3 plus 2a x plus 2 x minus 3 plus 2b 2x minus 1 x minus 3 plus 2c 2x minus 1 x plus 2. So this is the second equation. Now we'll submit x equal to 3 in this particular equation. So I can write put x equal to 3 in above equation and we'll see what do we get. So this is 2 into, in the place of x, 3, so 3 power 3. Here 2 into 3 minus 1. This is 3 plus 2, 3 minus 3 plus 2a into 3 plus 2, 3 minus 3 plus 2b into 2 into 3 minus 1, 3 minus 3 plus 2c into 2 into 3 minus 1. This is 3 plus 2. So let's solve this. This is 2 into 3 power 3 is how much? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 we are getting. Okay, so this is 2, if you just observe, this is 3 minus 3 is 0. So which means this whole part will become 0. So this also 3 minus 3 is 0. So this whole part also will become 0. This also 3 minus 3 which is 0. So this whole part will become 0. We just need to solve this c part. So we'll write that 2c. This is 2 3s are 6 minus 1. And this is 3 plus 2 which is 5. Let's do this forward. I can write this as 2 into 27 is equal to 2c. This is 6 minus 1 is how much? It was 5, and already 5 was remain. So I can write this 2 can be cancelled. We'll write the remaining thing, that is 27 is equal to, so this is 5 5 is 25. So this is 25 into c is remain. So sending this to other side, I'll get c equal to 27 by 25. I'll add this here, c equal to 27 by 25. So we got these values. Finally, if I write therefore a value we got as minus 1 by 50, right, and the b value we got it as minus 8 by 25, c value we got 27 by 25. So this a, b, c, all these three values will submit in equation number 1. In this particular equation, we'll submit all of the values that gives us the answer. Alright, so first I'll write that equation number 1, that is x power 3 by 2x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus a by 2x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x minus 3. So here we'll just submit ABC values. 1 by 2 plus a is how much? Minus 1 by 50 whole by 2x minus 1. Okay, this is plus, in the place of b I can write minus 8 by 25. This is x plus 2, and this is plus, in the place of c I can write 27 by 25, which is x minus 3. So let's solve this forward and we'll see what do we get. So this is 1 by 2, sending 52 down. So where plus into minus is minus, so I can write minus 1 by 50 into 2x minus 1. And here also plus into minus is minus, so this is 8 by 25 into x plus 2, whereas here plus 27 by 25 into x minus 3. Alright, so this is the final answer for this particular question.